BMA second year Agada Tantra. In that first chapter, concepts of Agada Tantra, that in part 1, part 2 video we have studied about the corrosive poison and irritant poison, and third one is systemic poison. In systemic poison, the last division is respiratory, that will produce the asphyxia, example carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. And now we'll move on to the fourth poison, that is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous, we will come across there are different kind. That is, first one is analgesic, that will relieve pain without inducing sleep. So pain ಅನ್ನು ರಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಲೀಪ್ನ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಸಿಟೋಮಿನೋಫೆನ್. So you have to remember the one example for each of that. Antipyretics, you know that pyrexia is nothing but the fever. Antipyretics means which will lower the temperature. Example paracetamol, aspirin. The paracetamol you can easily write, that is the most common given. And aspirin also. Antihistamine antagonize the action of histamine. Antagonize ಅಂದರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ histamine ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಂದು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಹಿಸ್ಟೈನ್. ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ವಲೈಸರ್ ರಿಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆರಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಸ್ಪೆರಿನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಸ್ಪೆರಿನ್. Tranquilizer means what? Tranquilizer means that will anxiety reduce ಮಾಡೋದು and mental tension reduce ಮಾಡೋದು, that is the Risperin. And fourth one is antidepressant, ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, that is Impremine. And hallucinogens ಅಂತಂದರೆ produce bizarre effects on mind. Bizarre effects means unusual, ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಕೃತವಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. bizarre effects on the mind, example LSD. So these are the miscellaneous includes. So one an example you should remember. And classification of poison according to the nature of the use, that can be homicidal, suicidal. So nature mode of action ಮೇಲೆ, nature of use ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬೋದು. accidental, abortifacient, stupefying agent, cattle poison, and use it for malignary, arrow poison, aphrodisiac, and these are the things. And you should write a poison chart. This is the poison chart that you should mention. And so this is about the miscellaneous. First you should write analgesic. Example for analgesic is acetaminophen, that you can easily find in some most commonly using tablet. And antipyretics, paracetamol, antihistamine, antihistine, tranquilizer, that is the anxiety. ಮೇಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಯುಲೈಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಆಂಗ್ಸೈಟಿ, ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಡಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್